day, everyone. So today, my report is all about the lands covered by the code. So under the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Law or Republic Act 6657. So this law identifies specific types of lands that are covered by the Agrarian Reform Program. So these lands are subject to government's acquisitions, distribution to qualified farmers to promote social justice, improve agricultural productivity, and support national development. So there are four main categories of lands covered by the code, and I will discuss each one of them. So first, we have tenanted areas. So tenanted areas are agricultural lands that are worked by the tenant farmers either through shared tenancy or leasehold arrangement. So these farmers do not own the land but depend on it for their livelihood. So under the code, these areas are covered by the so that tenant farmers can eventually become landowners. So for example here, a farmer tills a cornfield owned by another person and gives a portion of the harvest to the landowner every season. So this land is tenanted area. So it is covered by the code and the farmer may qualify to receive ownership of the land he cultivates. And second one, we have landed estates. So landed estates refer to a large private agricultural land owned by individuals or families. So these lands are acquired by the government through the Department of Agrarian Reform, with compensation paid through the Philippine Bank of the Philippines, or land bank rather. So after acquisitions, the land is distributed to tenant farmers and farm workers. So for example, a large coconut plantation owned by one family is acquired by the government. So the land is then divided and distributed to the farm workers who have been cultivating it for many years. And we have old settlements. So old settlements are agricultural areas developed from public lands by the government and are still under the administration and management of the Department of Agrarian Reform. So these areas are included in the code to ensure that farmers living in these settlements can secure legal rights to the land. So for example,